Yes, ready, start. The debate on this new constitution amendment bill or these provisions in this bill which is under consideration is now going on, but some people started objecting that there are certain basic changes in the constitution. They have started objecting to the passing of this constitution amendment bill, questioning whether this house has got its mandate. Let us discuss it on the basis of these points, which have been raised by some honorable friends. My friends have aptly said that this house has got the mandate on the basis of the programs of the party given in 1971. I do not want to refer to all that. But if in order to uphold the constitution, in order to work within the framework of this constitution, certain changes are made in order to give relief to the poorer sections. I do not know whether is the conflict therein and where is the question of mandate that comes in. The mandate is there. The moment this house was elected, composed of 526 members, they have their bounden duty to secure for the society justice, social, economic, and political. This is envisaged under the bill. What are we going to do by this amending process? They said erosion of fundamental rights. The law minister and other members also explained that any laws passed in the furtherance of the directive principles, that is chapter 4 of the constitution, should not be challenged on any of the grounds mentioned in articles 14th, 19th and 31. What are the things that are mentioned in the directive principles? The things are betterment of the society, welfare of the people, and in its totality, whatever is possible that is to be done. I would like to add one word here. So far as these things which were not being done earlier are concerned, an attempt has been made to do them and also to see that the society marches forward both in the economic sphere and political sphere, and also to transform the society into an egalitarian society. Certain new clauses have been added for this purpose, which are laudable, but some persons have found fault with it. I do not know what is their argument. Let us take the question of erosion of the judiciary. No powers of the judiciary have been curbed, rather the powers of judiciary have been streamlined. Stop.